Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT 2.0 Ti 150 HP DSG in sleek black exterior colour. This luxurious SUV is packed with all the features you could ever want in a vehicle. From the ambient lighting colour selection to the third row seats, this car is built for comfort and style. Safety is a top priority with LED lights and collision avoidance braking, while the 20 alloys, privacy glass, spoiler, sports seats, and sunroof add an extra touch of sophistication. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Contact us today at spiritskoda.ie or visit our website for more information. Drive in luxury and style with the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S SPT.